Hi friends, today we will be unboxing the Mi6X Black Edition. So let's open the box and see what's inside it. You get a quick charger, which is a European version, and also you get a Type C to Type A cable here. The phone is really lightweight, weighing around 150 grams, and curved edges makes it feel better in the hand. This phone comes with MIUI 9 on top of Android Oreo. It has got a rounded edges on the corners. Back of the phone is made up of a metal and plastic combination. The edges are curved to give the nice grip to the hand. On the hood, we get a Snapdragon 660 processor with a 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It is very good that Xiaomi included this chip, as it just outperforms all the phones at this budget segment with a custom Cryo 260 Cross. It is also power efficient, which means that the 2010 mAh battery will not make any impact on it. You can easily get a 1 day of battery using this phone. On the back of the phone, we have a 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel sensor with 1.25 micron size and f1.75 aperture. We also get the camera bump on the back, which is annoying. It combines 4 pixels into one to get large size pixels, which is very good. Let's quickly test the camera and see some camera samples. The UI of the camera is same as that of the Redmi Note 5 Pro and has all the options that are present in Redmi Note 5 Pro. But this phone supports a 4K recording at 60 frames per second. You can see the amount of details that it captures is definitely better than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Using the telephoto lens, you can also zoom and take in the photos in this phone. Here are some of the photos that I have taken, and you can see it here. The sharpness, detailing and color saturation is really good. On low light also it takes some really good photos. Here is a quick video sample taken on this phone with electronic image stabilization kept on. Here is a selfie of my friend taken in the front camera, and you can see the amount of details preserved in it. The AI bokeh effect is near to perfect. This is achieved by using a Sony IMX376 sensor with 2 micron size, which is larger than any phone present in the market as of today. If I go to settings and change the settings to gestures, you can also see that it has also got iPhone X like gestures on the phone, but it is implemented little differently and better, I would say. So with a Snapdragon 660 processor with custom Cryo core, 6GB or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, 128GB of storage with a good back and front camera, Type C port and fast charging for 2010 mAh battery present on it, priced aggressively at 20,000 Indian rupees for the top model. Would you buy this phone or go for Nokia 7 Plus at 25,999? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. More unboxing videos coming up soon. Peace.